So, let me show how you can remove the flywheel. Take a normal 17, put it on there. Wrong way. The other way, please. That went well. Then I want to show you something. This is an oil bolt inside the oil filter, and the measurement of the thread is exact the same as your flywheel. But there is one problem. The material is too soft. And with too soft I mean the iron, the strength of this bolt is not strong enough. But now you know the measurement of the thread and what measurement it is. Go to the local store where they sell those bolts for pickup trucks to get the wheels on the pickup truck, and you say, I need that bolt. It's the same measurement, the thickness all the same, but this one is hard steel, very strong steel. This one is soft, it's not hard enough, and you need the impact of the air gun to get it loose. Normally I will put the air wrench on top of this, but I want to show you when you buy this bolt for $5 or something like that. It's not a very expensive bolt. Put it on. And I want to show you that you can remove the flywheel with simple tools. That's the simple. Too easy. So, then you need a hammer. Nope, not yet. Something has happened. I need a little bit more strength, and there is something I can use, and I want to show you that. No, I need a bigger pin. It's the drill. Yes, you can see. Wow, what's happened? There, I have loosened the flywheel with simple tools. The tools you have at home to work on. Then we're going, oh, it feels good. Then we check. Wow, this is good. I only have to replace those springs inside, but this flywheel is very well good. So I don't need that one, that's going away. And normally I do it with an air wrench, and then it's very easy. But I want to show you with simple tool you can do it. What do we know at the moment? And what can I show you at the moment? And what do I see at the moment? And don't worry about some things. I can see the distribution chain has had his best time, so that needs to be replaced. And I hope I can show you. There are more movies on my YouTube channel that help you to see what is wrong. That's normal, don't worry about that. But that tells me the black dust I found in the engine below That is the problem. That is the black dust that I found in the oil filter. I told you something is wrong with the tensioner, but why is this tensioner almost at its end? And it looks like new ones, but I don't believe that. Yes, this one is longer, has his time, but that is not a problem. I know that's possible. Looks not bad. Even this one is usable. That's not a problem. Let me look to the other side. This one, I can tell you, it's bent, that's good, and there is still flex, that is good. The end is also good. I see a little track of the distribution chain, so you can use that one too. Now the chain. Wow. Fucking. You have to believe me, some things I only have to do like that, and I know exactly. Okay, let me remove or move the camera to a different position. So, come a little closer. Yes. Okay, this chain hit the aluminium and also the bolt, and that one is very heavy done. Also below here. I hope I can get it out and I can show you. That one was not very tied up, so should be a little bit. Those small bolts are very strong. They are very strong. You can't break them, believe me. Okay. When I feel the chain in my hand, I feel a very sharp edge. Also, there is a white line. And when I look inside the chain, it wants to grip in my skin. That's what I feel, and normally that is not supposed to do. Then I see a line, and that's very difficult to show on the camera. You see the line there. All the teeth are worn out. Also, they hit here on the steel and the aluminium. Don't worry about that. If it is broke, leave the bolt out, but don't worry. There has not come, but this one has run a very long time with a bad chain. That one is going away. This gear, gog, whatever you call it, this one is very hard steel, you can use it. But what I do is, it was like this on the engine, and when I put it back, I turn it around. Only for the fun. Please, stay on. I want to show you something different. Ah, shit. There it is. You can make a simple tool by yourself, and I have that kind of gears laying around here. So the wrench is specially designed by me. Jezus! Godverdorie! So, that one was bolted very strong on. Oops! normally they stick in the engine, but this one is coming out. Wow, that's a fine camshaft. There is nothing wrong with it. Wow, even no pitting there. That's fine. I need that one. So stop nou weer. These are the old types. Normally I don't use them, but this one is very nice and very fine. And with the newer brands, oils, it should be no problem to use it. It's still very nice. I am keeping this in a set together. That one will do. So, thanks for watching. I will take you with me by the next video. Bye bye.